Xiaomi 11 Lite ने 5G. Product information. Processor 5G enabled Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G with Cryo 670 octa-core, 6 nanometers process, up to 2.4 GHz clock speed, liquid cool technology, support for 12 5G bands. Camera 64 MP triple rear camera with 8 MP ultra wide and 5 MP super macro 20 MP front camera. Display 90 Hz high refresh rate, 10-bit FHD plus OLED dot display, 16.6 cm, 6.55 inch, Dolby Vision support. Elegant design that is just 6.81 mm slim and 158 grams light makes it a thing of art to flaunt. Memory, storage and SIM, 6 GB LPDDR4X RAM, 128 GB UFS 2.2 storage. Alexa hands-free capable. Download the Alexa app on to use Alexa hands-free. Play music, make calls, hear news, open apps, navigate, and more using just your voice while on the go. Just ask and Alexa will respond instantly. For more information, description link. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.